G'day guys, this is FCT and today I'm going to be doing a quick unboxing of the TicWatch E3. Let's have a look. So here we have the TicWatch E3, released in June 2021. The packaging here is quite nice and compact. I always have issues with these little plastic things. I just gotta get it open after the suction. Now the presentation here is quite nice. Having it front and center as soon as you open it. Cardboard backing does look cool. So once this all comes out, you can see the back here. It's quite thick. But it looks like a nice modern unit. Here it also comes with the instructions. We have the USB cable, which attaches to its proprietary magnetic charger. And of course the essential little silica packet. So I've published this as a condition of the challenge. Myself and Cora will be putting this watch through its paces for the next 21 days by doing the Mobvoi challenge. This means that we'll be doing HIIT exercises for at least 20 plus minutes for 18 out of those 21 days. She really loves to help me with the sit-ups. I'll then come back and let you know how it does as a daily driver and as an exercise companion. We'll see you soon.